Hi guys, we're gonna try it again. I made one video once just a few minutes ago, but somehow I deleted it. As you guys know, as I told you, I'm just getting used to this camera. Here's a duck claw that is carved with a duck taking off. I don't know if I showed this one to you or not. I put the finish coat on it yesterday. I believe it was yesterday. But got the basket weave stopper. Let's see if I can get a close up on it or not. But they look better in person than they do through this little camera. And here's the one that I did yesterday. It's a duck in flight and go in the opposite direction of the other duck. There you can see some of the detail, the feathers, the beak, the eye, the neck, chest line, the body line where the wing goes over the back and the right wing, the feathers over there. Yeah, I don't know if you can pick it up here. And tail feathers. This is walnut also. And the stopper, like the other stopper. This is pretty tight. So I'll put a finish on this today. And it'll look like this tomorrow. So, thanks for looking. This is a short video. Hopefully I don't erase it again. Thanks for looking. See you next time.